Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. Welcome to our November new products video. Our first new products from Solo Motorsports. This is for the 92 to 96 Bronco and 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. This is for the dash. If you have the push button engaging for the four-wheel drive, after a while pushing it, it breaks the dash. So we come up with a nice bracket here. So basically you took the instrument cluster off, cover off, bolt this in place, replace it, put the switch back in, and you're ready to go. Brand new. This is for the four-wheel drive push button shifter for the 92 to 96 Bronco and 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. And our next new product is a squirter nozzle. We've had this reproduced. This is for the 80 to 91 Ford Bronco and F-Series pickup. Also fits the 83 to 91 Ford Ranger and the 84 to 90 Ford Bronco 2. It's brand new. It's a nice little piece. Pop the old one off. It's got the little retainers. Pop it in, put the hose on it, and you're ready to go. Brand new replacement squirter nozzle for the 80 to 91 Bronco and F-Series and the 83 to 91 Ford Bronco 2 and Ranger. And our next new product is from Ford Motorsports, is this GOAT badge. They created this. This is the GOAT. GOAT stands for Goes Over All Terrain. That was a code name for the Bronco back in the day when it came out. So Ford reproduced this from the Motorsports. Beautiful, nice badge, chrome with the black, looks really good. Fit any of your vehicles. It's nice adhesive back. Pull the adhesive off, stick it right on your truck. Fits all the Broncos or pickups. Brand new from Ford Motorsports. And our next new products from here at the Bronco Graveyard, we've had these reproduced locally. These are the rear cab mounts for the 73 to 77 4x4 highboy pickup. These rod off different. On a highboy, your frame's narrower, so the rear mounts are different. They stick outward. So we've had these reproduced. This is the driver's side. We also have the passenger. Heavy-duty steel. Grind the old one off, bolt it in place, paint it, and you're ready to go. Brand new for the 73 to 77 4x4 highboy pickup. And for our November web truck of the month, we have Brian Risen's 76 Sport Decor Bronco. We were in Wisconsin for the show. Got videos of it there. You'll enjoy it. It's a beautiful truck. Thank you for your support. Hope to see you again next month.
I found this in Loveland, Colorado back in the mid-90s, and pretty much the way it is, except even more stock. It had the original rims and the hubcaps on it and such. Still single exhaust, catalytic converter was still installed and everything. Okay. Original carburetor, everything was original. This is a 76 with the Sport Decor option, and what that Sport Decor option gives us is the stripe and the option for the same color top, blacked out grille in front, and then the chrome trim is what makes it the Sport Decor. Stock drivetrain, yep, it's got the C4, yep, automatic. That's one reason steered me toward this was having an automatic, as opposed to my previous one, which is a 3 on the tree. So creature comforts of this one, yeah. Other things that drove me toward this one was the power steering, disc brakes up front, power brakes. It's a Wisconsin-based vehicle, so we got to keep it out of the salt, of course. And then I've done some more, engine modifications and such, so upgrades and things like that. Give a little more power, a little, fun, of course. Chose these rims shortly after I got it to get away from the super stock look and everything. Yeah, just kind of worked out well for me. It's not a daily driver. It comes out every now and then. It's my weekend driver, we'll call it, and everything. Yeah. Family getaways, it was used for a bit while my kids were in baseball and softball. So the lawn chairs were always loaded in the back, and we just take this to the ball field.
Ready to go on a good, beautiful day.
Yeah, yeah, exactly, yeah. But a nice thing with the hard top, rain or shine, it didn't matter. We were gonna make it there at home in one piece and everything, so. But yeah, just a casual driver. When I first got it, actually, at that time, it was my only driver, just because what I was choosing in vehicles and such. But then I realized I don't want to put the kind of miles on this thing. So then this became the secondary vehicle and picked up something else to drive as the daily driver. So we decided to take off the top for a couple summers. So for a little added security, we decided to add the roll bar and everything. And it's just kind of stayed in there. Yeah, top hasn't come off in a long time. The debate is always in the spring. It used to be I leave it up to the kids. Do you want us to take the top off? And at first they were like, yeah, and then later years, no, because they like not having the wind in their face. So the top stays on, yeah.
Okay.
Yep.